Hi, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda, located at 3520 South 108th Street in Greenfield, Wisconsin. Today, once again, we are here with our finance manager, Son. Son, how you doing today?
Good, very good. Thanks.
Excellent, excellent. As you know and as I know, in the month of August, we are celebrating, it's called Financial Awareness. And with financial awareness, Son is going to spend a little time talking about the various different aspects of actually financing a vehicle, what to expect, and how to prepare with financing a vehicle. So, Son, I really appreciate your time today that you're taking to talk to our audience about this and the importance of financial awareness. So, without further ado, please explain to us your interpretation or definition of financial awareness as it pertains to a vehicle.
Absolutely. Thank you. Thank you for having me speak on this matter. Financial awareness in regards to a car payment. I'm going to go over a couple of things to help you out to prepare before you even come to the dealership. So this way you're not taken sideways in regards to the monthly payment. The first thing you want to do is when you're at home, get together all your bills. It may seem minute, but yes, you get together your fixed income, variable incomes, and you of all people, customers should know how much you can afford each month. So that's the first thing to do is come in with an idea of how much of a monthly payment you should want, and try not to stray from that. But the other thing is your down payment. Down payment definitely helps in the monthly payment. And in regards to those two, I'm gonna swing back to monthly payment. So now that you know what monthly payment you can afford or you want to do according to your budget, here's an idea to think about in regards to monthly payment. Every $1,000, now this is an average, every $1,000 is about $20 per month, right? So if you're looking at a $10,000 car, think about a $200 a month payment. I say about because interest rates takes into play, but if you think about $20 per thousand, you would know what kind of car you'll be looking at in an amount of car. So $10,000 will get you a $200 car. $20,000 will get you about $400 car. But again, that's not taking into consideration of the rate, right? If your rate is excellent, it can be a little bit less. If it's not good, right? And then it can be a little bit more. So don't be alarmed if you do your math like I informed you, and all of a sudden you get to the dealership, it's like $525. That's because maybe the rate's a little bit higher. And if you love the car so much, then you just go with it. So that's my bit of advice for financial awareness. Get together a budget, know your monthly payment, and also think about how much you want to put down.
So that's awesome. That's fantastic information here. So what I'm gathering or what I'm understanding is with financial awareness, understanding how the financial end works when it comes to buying a car, understanding that if I come in to purchase a brand new Mazda CX-5, say a Premium Plus, it's retailed or the MSRP on this $35,000, I say to myself, I don't want to put any money down. I just want to finance the whole thing. I don't have a trade-in. $200 a month doesn't make sense for a vehicle of that cost. Is that correct?
Absolutely, that is correct. Mathematically, it doesn't work out. If you talk about $35,000 vehicle, right? After taxes, title, license, it'll be a little bit more, and about $2,000 for that. The taxes is what we don't know because there's tax brackets in different counties, right?
Yes.
But if you mathematically take $35,000 divided by 60 months, it's not going to be $200. Right?
So typically speaking, when a person comes in to purchase a car, in just exercising financial awareness, what would you say is the typical down payment on a brand new vehicle? Is it 10%, 20%? Do people put $2,500 down, $5,000 down? I mean, what is the typical or the most average amount of money somebody's going to put down to prepare themselves so when they come in to buy this car so they can be at a monthly payment that they're going to be comfortable with? What do you think makes the most sense from a financial standpoint?
Well, I guess that's a loaded question really because it depends on the customer, right? You spoke of a lot of things there, like down payment, how much they should put down, all that stuff, right? It all depends on the customer really and their credit score, what term they want to be in. But a rule of thumb is to kind of go into a rule of thumb. You want to put like maybe 10% down, if that gives you a good idea.
Sure.
But if you're like 800 credit score, guess what? You don't have to put anything down. Then it's going to be up to you to decide how much you want to put down to bring down your monthly payment. That's what it really comes down to. So I think to answer your question in regards to monthly down payment, right?
Yes.
It all depends. It's all up to the customer.
And let me ask you another question with financial awareness. You have a customer who has fair to good credit and they're going to buy a new car. The monthly payment ends up being a smidge higher than where they really wanted to be, but they love the car and they have figured out, you know what, I'm going to try to squeeze this monthly payment. What are some best practices to help them with that monthly payment? Would bi-weekly payments help out in that scenario? What about refinancing their loan down the road? Is that an option for customers?
Absolutely. When it comes to payment and the love for the car, sometimes the love for the car would win. You know, like for myself, I'd rather spend a little bit more for a certain car than another car. You can give me like a new truck, and myself, nothing personal about a truck, I wouldn't pay $300 for a truck because I don't need for a truck. But if you give me like a Mazda Miata and pay me $500, which I do have, right? I'll take that. So it comes down to if you love the car, you like it, yes, go for it. And then yes, after a certain amount of time, you can certainly see if you qualify to refinances. There's banks out there that will do refinances. I don't want to name any banks because I don't want to advertise for them, right? But yes, we have local banks here that do it, even like other big banks. I think that, does that answer your question?
Yeah, that answers my question. Just trying to have some financial awareness for our customers, give them options and ideas so when they come into the dealership, they want to purchase a vehicle, and the monthly payment is either where they want it to be or it's a little bit more than where they want it to be, but they really love the car, they absolutely need the car. What are their options and what can they do? And I think you've done a fantastic job today explaining these things for them and just making things a little bit easier for them. So once again, this is Jason here at Russ Darrow Mazda. I'm here with Son, our finance manager. As always, we're here to serve you, get you the best possible vehicle at the best possible rate with the best possible price and the best possible service. We'll look for you in the lot. You take care. Have a nice day.
Thanks a lot, guys.